Hey y'all, my name is Erika Robinson. I have given back to our country as a United States Marine. I've given back to our city through activism and volunteering for over 20 years. I've watched our city stagnate or even decline all this time because it is far easier to be against everything like our District 2 incumbent is rather than to stand for something. I stand for something. I stand for action, vision, and finding balance, not nothing, because in District 2, nothing is what we have achieved. Nothing is the failed promise that the power plant would be shut by December 2020. Nothing is the failed promise that if we killed our waterfront with Measure C, the developers would be lined up to work with us with a new plan. Nothing is the failed promise that the power lines would soon go away, or that the new AES plant owner would give us a park. Nothing is clearly wanting to give away our fire department to LA County, which is exactly what our incumbent pursued. Nothing is avoiding our responsibility toward the homeless issue and letting District 4 bear the brunt. I stand for something, like attracting businesses and revenue. I stand for something, like accountability and compromise. I stand for something, like keeping our fire local and our police viable. I stand for something, coming together with all the districts to help solve the homeless issue. We have had 12 years in District 2 doing nothing but selling fear and drama until we're all paralyzed into inaction. In other words, nothing. We can no longer afford to be for nothing, then be surprised that our coffers are empty and we can't support city services. Vote March 2nd for me, Erika Robinson, for Redondo Beach City Council District 2. Thanks, y'all.